Hi children, a very good morning to you all. How are you all? I hope all are fine and good. Yes, okay children, welcome to grade 1 English. Okay, so today we are going to see unit 2 prose. The prose name is the bubble, the straw and the shoe. Okay children, it is a story. Yes children, you love stories, right? Very good. So, before going to the class, in the previous class what we have seen children? Yes? Yeah, we have seen a poem, right? What is the poem name? Yeah, after a bath, right? So, hope you have all learned the poem. Good. Okay children, shall we start? So, the bubble, the straw and the shoe. Okay? So, this is bubble, right? This is straw, this is shoe. Okay, let's start into the story. Okay, so once upon a time there lived a bubble. So once upon a time there lived a bubble and straw. There lived a bubble, a straw and a shoe. Okay, these three are very close friends. Okay, so what happened? One day they went into the forest. So these three went into the forest. Okay, so next what happened? When they were walking into the forest, they came near to a river. So they came to a river. So see, there is a river, right? So these three came to a river. So what happened next? They are thinking that how to cross the river. So they didn't know how to cross it. So both three friends were thinking like how to cross the river from this side to this side. Okay, so the shoe said, "Bubble, let us float on you." So the shoe said to bubble that we will float on you. So bubble, what it will do children? Yeah, it will float on air, right? So the shoe was saying to bubble that let us float on you. Okay, next the bubble said, no shoe, let straw stretch himself. So bubble said, I am light, I was very light, so I can't carry you in myself, in my body. Okay, so the bubble said, no shoe, let straw stretch himself from one bank to the other. So the bubble was asking the straw to stretch from one bank to other. Okay, to stretch himself from one bank to other. So why? To cross the river. Okay, so then we can cross the river. So once the straw stretches himself, we can cross the river. So bubble and shoe was asking the straw to stretch himself. Okay, so the straw stretched himself from one bank to the other. So what happened here children? See, the straw is stretching himself, right, from one bank to the other to cross the river. Okay, so what happened children? See, when the shoe jumped on the straw, see, the shoe is very weight, right? It is weight, no? So it is jumped on the straw. Straw is very light body, right? So what happened? It broke. So when the shoe jumped on the straw it is broken. See in the picture, see, it is broken and fell into the water. So the shoe fell into the water with a loud splash. What is splash children? It is a sound. When you put something into the water, you will get some sound, right? That is meant by splash. Okay, so the shoe fell into the water with a splash, loud splash. Okay, so what happened? Both straw and shoe fell into the water. So sad, right? So what happened next? The bubble standing on the side of the river, right? What he did? He shook and shook with laughter. So he is shaking his body and laughing loudly. See, because why? the straw and shoe fell into the water. So the bubble was on seeing this bubble was laughing loudly and shaking his body. See, and burst with a big bang. So after when the bubble was laughing, right? So it was shaking his body. So once the bubble shake, it started to burst. So and burst with a big bang, big sound. Okay. So see what happened, children. What is the moral of this story? Yeah, they are not had a good plan to cross the river. See, they don't know how to cross the river. So before going to cross the river, they should have planned correctly, right? See, when you stand on the straw, it will break, right? So they didn't even know how to plan to cross the river, right? Okay, children, that's the end of the story. Yes, hope you have all liked it. Yes, okay. So shall we move on to the next one? New words. So today we'll learn some new words. Okay. So first word is bank. What is it? Bank. B-A-N-K. Bank. What is bank? The land on the side of the river. The land on the side of the river. So the land which is on the side of the river is called as bank. Okay. B-A-N-K. Bank. Okay, children, we'll move on to the next. Okay, next is bubble. B-U-B-B-L-E. Bubble. Okay, what is bubble, children? I hope you children will play with bubbles, right? Yeah, we used to blow the bubbles, no, from the waters, right? Okay, see, I love blowing bubbles. B-U-B-B-L-E. Bubble. Okay. Next, burst. B-U-R-S-T. Burst. Okay. What is this, children? Yes, crackers. We used to burst crackers when, during Diwali, right? We'll all like to burst crackers, no? Yes, so I burst crackers on Diwali. Okay, so B-U-R-S-T. Burst. Okay. Next is cross. C-R-O-S-S. Cross. Okay. We must cross the road carefully. Yeah, children, what the children is doing here? They are crossing the road from one side to the other. Okay, so children, you also have to cross the road carefully by looking on both sides. Okay. Next, river. R-I-V-E-R. River. See, what is river? It is full of water. Yes, so the river is full of water. Okay. Next, shoes. S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. So children, when you come to school, what you used to wear, right? What you used to wear? Yeah, we used to wear shoes, right? So my shoes are brown in color. So what is the color of your shoes? Yes, black in color, right? Good. So S-H-O-E-S. Shoes. Okay. Next is splash. S-P-L-A-S-H. Splash. Okay. Let's splash some water on tree. We'll splash some water on tree. Okay. So, okay children, these are the new words which we have learned today. So, please practice this in your home. Okay. Now, we'll go for the activity. So, the first activity is on page number 23. We'll have the activity here. Put these doing words into the sentences. Okay. We have the words given like jumped, shook, stretched, burst. Okay. You have to fill the correct word into the blanks. Okay. So, the first one, the straw dash himself from one bank to the other. We have seen in the story, no, what the straw did? Yes, yeah, the straw stretched himself from one bank to the other. Okay. Next, the shoe dash on the straw. The shoe dash on the straw. What happened? What the shoe did? The shoe jumped. Yes, jumped on the straw. Okay. Next, the bubble dash and dash with laughter. So the bubble, what it did? It shook and shook, right? The bubble shook and shook with laughter. Okay. And dash with a big bang. And what happened to the bubble? Yeah, it burst, right? And burst with a big bang. Okay. So please do this in your home. Okay. We'll go for the next one. Next page number 23. We have the trace the journey of a tadpole. Okay. You have here, this is a tadpole. You have to trace the journey from puddle to pond to lake and to river. So this is a tadpole. Okay. It will jump here, here, here. So you have to help the tadpole to trace over. Okay. You have to trace over with the dotted line. So children, please do this in your home. Okay. Okay children, that's all for today's class. Hope you all enjoyed the class. Yes, very good. Be home, be safe, stay home. Okay, we'll meet in the next class. Thank you.